Holy 1K.
I miss you, girl.
I just got a brand new whip. I just made a bad little.
Yo, what's good at YouTube? Today we're gonna be cooking smash burgers, Wagyu smash burgers at that. We got the gourmet hamburger Wagyu beef. We got these nice little buns to go with it. Let's make some smash burgers, baby. All right, first we start up the grill. Got the grill going. We're gonna let that warm up. We got our goodies for when we ready to go. Let's get it. Let's put the meat on the grill. Put the meat on the grill and then we're gonna smash them. Cheers to the chat. Cheers to everybody watching. Appreciate you. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. We got smash burgers. We got breakfast. I'm trying to make hibachi. I made hibachi last time. My phone fucked up. But it's all good. basically it. Final product. Bus Wagyu hamburger.
Miles roll to my five.
Holy 1K.
Barbershop, baby.
I miss you, girl.